I know, man, you've been noticing tons of great coders developing complex and complicated programs. You're noticing them on YouTube or maybe on some other platforms, or that might be your friends, and you are just like, wow, this is so beautiful. But deep down you feel like shit. Why? Because the negative thoughts kicks in and you find yourself in that viscous cycle of negative thoughts just telling you you are not good enough, you can't do it, you don't have the guts to do it, and you are just down bad, you don't know exactly what to do, and you're just overwhelmed with that, and you don't know what to do exactly. So I have to tell you something today, that you can also become a person like those you've been noticing. Not even just similar to them, but even you can become a better person, better than those you've been noticing all the way on these platforms every single day. If you want to be like those people, there's no rule. I cannot give you a specific tip that if you apply you will become a great coder. No, you need to identify what works for you. You only have the right to identify what you need to be doing in order to become that great coder. All you need to do is focusing, coding every single day. Don't tell me you are confused or you don't understand anything or there's no teacher available for you. No, that's a white lie. There are thousands of teachers available on YouTube. Why don't you watch them, right? And when you play their videos, when you're trying to attend their lectures, you kind of feel stuck. Why? Because again you feel that, wow, I can't be like them. So today I'm telling you, never give up. Code every single day. Don't tell me that I can learn much more in just a single hour. No, you need to code 3 or 4 hours every single day. You need to put all those efforts in order to get there. Today I'm telling you, don't ever give up. There's nothing impossible in this world. The word impossible says I'm possible. So what are you waiting for, man? Go get up. Start coding right now. And sometimes we get excuses like, wow, I don't have a computer, I don't have a good computer. You don't need a great computer. You don't need a powerful machine to code. You just need a simple computer where you can just run an IDE and just run your code. So that's what I'm telling you today. You are great enough. You deserve to be a coder if that's your passion. So go get up and start coding right now. Code every single day for about 3 or 4 hours. And in a single month, you will see the difference. Improve your logic. Learn about syntax. Learn from your mistakes that you've been making. And rise above it.